Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, I just want to draw your attention to my new album that I just dropped, Kudzu Makes Monsters. Available now on wherever you listen to music, links will be in the description. Now, we'll get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be swapping out the neck on this Squire Stratocaster for an aftermarket neck bought on eBay. These necks are affordable and plentiful. You can find them almost anywhere you can find a Gibson guitar, being that they're made in about the same factory. Of course, being a cheaper overseas neck that is completely unbranded, you will have a few flaws occasionally, but from every time I've used one of these necks, I found them to be quite reliable, if needing just a little bit of fretwork. This is already a very cool Squire, featuring a really cool metal flake silver finish, and a 2-point tremolo system, which I've always been a little bit more fond of. And since this is a very easy job, I don't feel need to explain every aspect of what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to stop talking here and just let the video continue to play. Thanks for watching.